back to my channel. So today I have a beginner's video, and this is going to be on how to apply lashes. Now this is for beginners, so if you're not a beginner on applying lashes, then this may not be the video for you. But if you are a beginner, then yes girl, you came to the right place. First off, when it comes to applying lashes, you want to start off with a lash that's not too difficult to apply. And I feel like a good brand that's inexpensive and is really good for beginners or even just an overall good lash is Kiss. When I first started applying lashes, I purchased from Kiss and I love them, and that's how I learned to apply lashes. So yes, the Kiss brand, you can find this at Target, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens. You can find it anywhere. Right now I have them in the style Flirty in this pack. I also have some that I have used before, and these are in the So Wispy 03. Really like these a lot. But yeah, they have a lot of natural looking lashes that you can start off with. So yeah, you want to choose a good brand. I suggest starting off with Kiss lashes. Alright, and next you want to make sure you have all your supplies that you need to apply lashes. So obviously you're going to need some glue. Alright, so right now I'm currently using the Broadway Eyes glue, and it's in the shade black. I do not prefer this glue. When I first started applying lashes, I was using the Duo glue, which I'll have like an image of it over here in the corner. That's a really nice glue. They have it where it can go on like color, but it dries clear. So that would be perfect for you. I believe it's like a white one and it dries clear. So that's good for when you're a beginner, because you're going to make mistakes and you're going to get glue all over your eyelid and everything. You're going to mess up your eyeshadow. Everything. Trust me, I've been there. So I would definitely suggest the Duo glue. I really love that, and I will be going back to that once I'm finished with this. And you also want to make sure you have tweezers. Alright, so any tweezers that you have, you want to make sure you do that, because that makes it easy to pick up the lash and actually apply it to your lash line. And for some, you may also want to have scissors to cut your lash, because it may be too long for you. Me personally, I've never had to cut my lashes. I guess I have big eyes or something or whatever, because I've never had to cut any lashes that I've applied. So some people will have to cut their lashes to match the length of their eyelid. So yeah, so now that you have all of that, let's get into how to apply the lashes. Alright, so we are all zoomed in and y'all can see all my imperfections and pimples. So yeah. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Flirty lashes, and these are what they look like. I have used this lash before. Quick tip, so you want to hold your lash container like right in front of you so you know what goes on what eye, because sometimes the lash can be longer on the outside and you don't want to have the longer part on the inside of your eye. So you want to hold it up in front of you like this, and this will show what eye it's supposed to go on. So right, left, left. So now I have my lash off. I'm going to take my glue, but before I even start that, let me go back. First off, I would go ahead and measure, put the lash up to your lash line to make sure that the lash fits, and it's not like too long for your eyelid. So even though I know these lashes fit, I will go ahead and do that step, so I can't skip that step. Alright, so I'm just going to hold it up and put it on there, and I see that I don't need to cut anything. Everything fits perfectly fine. And if you do have to cut, I would go ahead and just snip the end and keep going, or either the inside if you want to have the longer part of your lash, depending on how the lash looks. Alright, so now I'm going to take my glue, and this glue is like a wand. I believe the Duo glue is not like that, so normally if I have the Duo glue, I will put it on the back of my hand and then just rub the lash in it, because it can be difficult to use a squeeze bottle and put it out like that. But this one is a wand one, so I'm just gonna paint the lash with the glue pretty much. And you want to make sure to fully coat the edges, because those are the parts that tends to lift most of the time. Alright, and then you're going to let it dry a little bit, get a little tacky before you apply. And make sure to close your glue back up so that it doesn't dry out. And as you guys can see, my mascara and eyeliner are already on. I do suggest that you, if you are a beginner, what worked for me was to go ahead and line my top lid with eyeliner, because that gave me direction of where to place my lash. That just tends to help me, but you don't have to do that. Alright, so it should be a little bit dry now, so let me zoom in a little bit more so you all can see just my eyes. Okay. Alright, and what I'm going to do is just look down, and I have a mirror in front of me, and what I like to do is place the lash in the middle first. So I place it as close to my lash line as I can. And then I put down the edges without the tweezers. That just works for me. Then I go back in with the tweezers and make sure it's down. Alright, and these are how the Flirty lashes look. These are definitely, the style Flirty I would say is not for a beginner at all. They're kind of like, they're very, but as you guys can see, I was just going in and making sure to press down on it. So yeah, that's it. I have that one lash applied, and I'm going to do the same thing for the next lash. So I'm just going to show y'all and not talk. And I also want to say, be careful taking your lash off of here, because as y'all can see, I like broke a piece of my lash off. So hopefully, you know, this lash ain't looking too bad. And for this lash, I did not get it super close to my lash line as I would have liked, but it is glued down. But because I do have on liquid eyeliner, it's hiding the fact that it's not right on my lash line like I would like it to be. Alright, and then like at this point, you want to go ahead and fluff your lashes, get them to your liking. You can add mascara to your regular lashes. You may want to go in the front and just kind of blend your lashes out with it. It just makes it look more natural. And this one's lifting a little bit over here. So that's what I mean, like by making sure you put glue on, especially on the edges. Alright y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And be sure to share this video, and be sure to subscribe so you can catch more videos from me. I love you all so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.